So, assalamu friends, this is Adnan Qamar and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about introduction of myself, introduction of my channel, and what my channel is all about, what content I am going to share with you, and how this channel can be helpful for you. So, before starting my introduction, let me thanks all my subscriber who have been supporting me for last 1 month, and I've been very much motivated after reading their comments, and they are really supporting me a lot, and I really thank you all. Keep doing it, and it's really very much appreciated. So let's start with my introduction. This is Hafiz Adnan Qamar, and I've been in HR for last 10 years. I have been working as a manager HR for last 1 year, and I have done couple of certification as well, some global certification. So the topic I'm going to talk about is more towards career and job related. It could be like the tips related to the interview preparation. It could be like drafting CV, how to update your resume, how to update your LinkedIn profile, how to apply for jobs, what is the correct method to apply for jobs, how to search jobs. So apart from these topics, I'm going to talk more about career related issues. If anyone is experienced and working in a company and want to switch jobs, and he currently is stuck in one company and he's not getting any response from outside, so what to do in this scenario? So in next scenario, in other scenario, you can say like if any student is struggling to select any field, so how to select any specific field. So guys, these are the thing I'm going to talk about in my videos. So I'm sure you like today's video, so please give it a like, and if you still not subscribe my channel, please do subscribe it now, and please don't forget to press the bell icon, because I don't want you to miss any of my future videos. So thank you so much for watching my videos. Allah Hafiz.